Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to play Clash Royale on PC using Google Play Games. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to open up Chrome and search Google Play Games Windows and press enter. Select the first site and you will get this download beta option selected. After getting download and click on it and start the installation guys. Select the location where you want to save this and select the install option. And now select the sign in with Google option and sign into your account and create the profile. Select accept, select finish option, and now in search type the game name. I'm gonna type Clash Royale. Select the Clash Royale, select the install option, and if you want to add the desktop shortcut you can actually add it or you can skip that process, don't add. And after getting download done, select the play option, and now the game will start guys. Select the allow option, sound is too high, and now you can able to play the game guys. Before that you can just need to select your age, select accept all, and the game started without having any problem. And that's how you can play Clash Royale on PC. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.